Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Here's how to check your coolant level and add coolant if it's needed. Right now I've got a 2006 F150. So this is a Ford product. Most of the Ford products are going to be pretty similar. However, you do want to check your owner's manual and make sure that you're using the correct coolant. For this vehicle right here and lots of the different Ford products, you'll want Motorcraft. This is the Motorcraft Gold. It's a very, very good antifreeze coolant, but it's also a concentrate. And that concentrate means that we need to mix this with water. You don't want to actually put this straight in. Even though it's a concentrate, you might think like, that would be fine. You don't want to do that. You don't want it to be mixed over about 60%. So what we want to aim for is a 50% of this concentrate and 50% water. Hey, where is the coolant? Where is the reservoir for this? And if you look, traditionally, these would be right up front on a lot of vehicles, like right in here somewhere, but not on this vehicle here. If you look right over here, this is our reservoir for the coolant right here. Let's take a little look here and see some of these little sticker decals here. It's telling you, read your owner's manual. Not a bad idea at all. It's also indicating here that if it's hot, if you've been running your vehicle, do not open this cap. It will explode. It's going to be under pressure. So you need to let the engine fully cool before you can take this lid off right here. Also, it's kind of showing you here that you want 50%. And this little symbol here is saying you don't want to have the full concentrate. You want to mix it 50% coolant, 50% water. All right, let's take off this cap. Let's see where we're at. And actually, before we do that, let's look at the side of this right here. And it kind of tells you when it's cold, this is the range it should be in. Let's see if we can see that a little better. There you go. It says cold fill range. It's a pretty small range. Now, what's tough about this is that this vehicle is a little older. Vehicle's 18 years old. This reservoir should probably be changed out. Let's back the camera up a little bit. This is getting really hard to see into. So when I shake it a little bit, it's kind of hard to tell where that level is. So again, I know my vehicle is cold, hasn't been run in several hours. Let's take this off. Let's take a look inside. And unfortunately, it looks kind of gross in there. I don't think it's as bad as it looks. I don't think this is the end of the world. The vehicle's running just fine. But I can easily see that that level is low. And so it's, again, pretty hard to tell, but we're about an inch or two low in this reservoir. We want to get up to here somewhere. So what we're going to do is grab our coolant right here. Again, triple check that it's the right one, and do not go to your parts store and try to get an equivalent antifreeze. Don't do it. They're going to give you the wrong product. It doesn't work as well as the original thing. You need to go to your dealership and get this exact product, or if you look down in the description down below, I'll put a link to this. You can get it in a couple days delivered to your house. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I got a measuring cup here with 1 cup of water, nice clean water. Let's pour in our concentrate, and again, let's get it up to 2 cups. And then we'll have 1 cup of our concentrate, 1 cup of clean water. A little bit more there, right about there. Perfect. Okay, so now we have a fixed 50-50 blend inside this cup right here. We're gonna put this in. We might have to do it one more time, or this might get us to the right level. Let's grab a little funnel here and let's get ready to go. Put in our funnel and let's pour it in. So I'm gonna estimate that that's gonna just about do it. Hopefully we didn't go over it. If we did, we can pull a little bit out, but I think that's gonna get us right to where we wanna be. All right, let's take a look inside. After taking a look inside, I'm gonna say we went up maybe about 1 inch, but I'm gonna say that we're still short. Let's do that one more time, that procedure one more time, and let's see if we can get up a little bit higher. Okay, I've got another cup of clean water. Let's put in our concentrate so it gets up to 2 cups. Perfect. And let's pour it in. Funnel's really nice. This coolant is not very environmentally friendly, pet friendly, or anything else. So we want to try our best to not spill. Put it all in. Let's take a look. Ooh, much better. We're getting there for sure. However, guess what? I'm gonna do it well, let's see. Oh, nope, I'm perfect. Okay, so if we look here, see this line right here? That's our dark line. This is the top of where it's supposed to be when it's cold. I would say I actually filled it up a tiny bit too much. See it jiggling and wiggling, but we didn't miss it by much. I'm gonna call that just fine. If you really wanted to be nitpicky, you could put a syringe or something in here and try to pull a little bit of this liquid out, but I think that being just that tiny bit over is not gonna be a problem at all. It might be a good idea, however, for me to change out this reservoir. This is an older vehicle. It's not worth a whole lot of money. I don't think I wanna invest too much more into it, so I'll let it fly, at least for now. Don't forget, get your cap back on, get it nice and snug, and you're good to go. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.